So the biggest problem with real estate speculation is the speculation on our hotel rooms in the neighborhood. So there's 5,000 hotel rooms in the neighborhood. And because of the speculation on them, government bought 1 out of 4 rooms. That's like the Sheldon and the Wilson, and we bought those hotels. But there's still around 4,000 rooms that are privately owned by private owners. And we've been tracking what's happening to those rooms. This year, when we did the hotel study, we went around to, and Tony helped me and Fraser, we went around to about 90, we got data on over 90% of the rooms. And we found that only 12 neighborhoods are renting at what people on old age pension or welfare can afford. Only 12. Last year it was 29% when we did the exact same survey. The year before it was up in the 40s. So we are losing homes. And these are not adequate homes. And the city is supposed to replace them 1-for-1 with social housing. But at the rate they're going, we calculated it will take them 42 years to build enough social housing to replace our hotel rooms. We will be dead, basically. So let's move